Boy. Hello guys, hi, happy new year, happy 2026 to each and every one of you and your family. How are you guys are doing? I hope your year has started to be a better and greater year for you and your family. So I'm here and I am actually doing a little seafood, something that partial seafood I should say, that I feel for. So this is how I'm doing it. I'm gonna put it in the oven. So in here I have some pop choy, I have some carrots, I have some okras, and I have some corn. And I seasoned it well. And I put a little bit of oil actually, in here. And I have some fish, some snapper, some red snapper. I am going to put up top there. And also some crab legs. I have shrimp and so, but I don't want to put all of that. I don't want all of that. I just wanted the fish and the crab legs. So I'm going to put all of that in here. And I'm going to put it in the oven. Put some butter, some garlic powder, paprika, paprika and so forth like that. I already seasoned up my fish and my crab legs, so I'm just gonna add it up in here. And just cover it up and put some butter and let it cook in the oven. So that's what I am making today. That's what I feel for, and that is it. But stick with me, just bear with me. I'm going to put my fish and crab legs and I'll be back and show you guys. Hold on. So yes guys, so I'm back again, and here it is. As you can see, the snapper here, red snapper, and crab legs. I actually didn't put all the fish nor the crabs. I still have crabs left over and fish. So this is just for me, me and my son actually. So there you go. I've added some butter already, some garlic powder, some rosemary, some parsley, and everything else well seasoned. OB and everything is on it. Yeah, there you go. How does it look? How does it look? How does it look? Looks good, right? Yummy, yummy. I'm gonna put a foil wrap on it. Wrap it up and put it in the oven. Yeah, baby. So guys, I've been sick for the whole holiday. Yes. Not only me, but my whole house. We had the flu. We all had the flu. We came down with it one after the other. So the whole house was literally sick for the holidays. So we did not do anything, couldn't do anything for the holiday. Didn't do my usual cooking, baking and all of that I usually do. For the holiday I didn't, because we were all sick with the flu. And trust me, I had this flu twice. It knocked me down twice. Pass me the lemon juice. Let me put a little bit. So It was just horrible. Fever. Who wasn't having fever? Vomiting, diarrhea, headache, ache, body aches. Coughing, running nose, sneezing, this, that, whatever. You name it, we had it all. But thank God, and God be the glory that we all overcome it for the new year. And we are here, alive and well. So I haven't eaten in over a week. Over a week I haven't eaten anything. All I've been sustaining was just water, a lot of liquid, water, Gatorade, coconut water, and orange juice and things like that. That's all I've basically been drinking. A lot of fluid. And I try a lot of home remedies and tea and home remedies and stuff. So yeah, I am here to stay, and I am alive and well. We are. Thank you. Thanks to the Father above. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a blessed and productive day. Have a blessed and safe weekend. Enjoy you and your family. So long for now until I come with another video. So I'll probably give you guys the after it finish. We'll see. I'll probably make a next video for the after effect after everything is done. Wait, so hopefully depends on how I'm feeling, and yeah, I could come with that video. All right, but until then, be blessed, be safe, peace out, and one love. Happy New Year again to you and your family. I pray that this year be a great and productive and successful year for each and every one of us. Alrighty, bye. Please like my videos, give my videos a thumbs up, and please, I ask that you guys look at the ads for me, please. Well, thank you. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm going to be coming back slowly but surely. There's a lot of stuff that I have in plans for my channel, and just hoping and keeping my finger crossed and praying it all goes well, that I will be able to continue and do what I have to do as far as my YouTube growing. So again, I ask that you guys please like, share, subscribe, and also please watch the ads for me. It will give me a great help. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, and be blessed. Bye. Here's another look of my partial seafood. I have shrimp, but I don't want shrimp in it, and so egg, and I don't want all of that in it. This is fine enough for me. So bye.